Okay, I'm at the fish sauce factory. I think it's Huyn Hua. What's the name? Yeah, Huyn Hua. Probably pronounced very badly. And you are the guide?
Yeah, I'm the guide.
Oh, lovely. Okay. Whoa.
This is a traditional factory in Phu. We producing traditional fish sauce.
Right.
And in Phu, we only use anchovy fish to make the fish sauce.
Anchovies,
yes.
Right, okay.
We produce traditional fish sauce, and then we have to use 100% wood to make the barrel like this.
Right.
And each barrel we put inside 15 tons anchovy fish and salt inside.
15 tons?
Yeah, anchovy fish and salt. 80% for anchovy fish and 20% for salt. Sea
salt. Sea salt, okay.
And
so there's, wow, that's quite a lot in one, that's in one vat, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
And we put inside 15 tons, and then we pour more the fish sauce, and after that wait for 1 year. It's the traditional.
Ah, okay.
We must wait for 1 year.
1 year for it to ferment or to be ready,
we keep,
yeah?
for 1 year, and after 1 year we take out on the fish sauce from that way,
Mm-hmm.
and only liquid come out. The fish cannot come out because inside we have the filter. Inside.
Like a mesh and to stop all the fish. So what happens to the fish that's in there? Is that continue being used?
We take out the fish sauce out, and then the fish only we sell to company. They make the fertilizer.
Ah, so the fish that are used, they get taken out and sold to farmers to fertilize their crops.
We only use the salt, and then after that we test the nitrogen, because the quality of fish sauce depends on the nitrogen from the fish sauce.
Right, okay.
And low nitrogen we taste more salty than the high nitrogen.
Right.
High nitrogen less salty, and high nitrogen more expensive.
Okay.
Yeah. And traditional fish sauce we only use anchovy fish and salt only. No use water, no use sugar.
Oh, so it's a real good stuff, yeah.
It's 100% natural.
So fish sauce in Phu Quoc is very famous.
Yes.
My wife is Vietnamese. We live near Hanoi, and
because
they love the fish sauce.
In Phu Quoc we have the different technique than other places. We catch the anchovy fish, and then we mix directly with the salt on the boat from the auction. Then we bring
straight away.
Yeah, we know right. We bring the fish with the salt already into the island, and we put inside.
Straight into the vats, yeah.
And another places they take the fish salt into the Mediterranean, and then we mix with the salt in the Mediterranean, and after that can make the fish not fresh, and then the fish
it's not as good.
Good.
Not as strong.
Yeah.
There's a nice smell here. Okay, so it will take my weight. Let's have a look. Okay, so can I lift this up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We use the bag to cover on the top.
Right, so there's a wooden cover on top.
Yeah. We make sure the fish has to be inside the liquid.
Right, so there's still, like, you can see some anchovies that are on top. And there's some salt, that's the sea salt. Ooh, if you could smell, if they had smell-o-vision, it would be nice for...
This barrel we put the fish on November 2020.
Oh, November 2020?
Yeah, in each barrel we have the information.
Right, so you know where the...
We put the fish
okay.
November 2020.
Yeah.
And we must wait for
1 year.
to November 2021.
Okay. And who do you sell? Do you sell export to Europe?
We just sell domestic.
Domestically,
and maybe near the future we export it.
Right. So how many barrels? How many?
We have 120 barrels.
120 barrels. How big is this room?
7 lines.
So there's 7 lines. Ah, right. I won't work that out. Wow.
So fish sauce 30 years ago.
So it's a 30-year-old company now, yeah?
We are family business.
Ah, that's good.
And third generation.
So you're 3rd generation family, yeah? What are in the blue? That's...
it's a fish sauce.
So this is the actual fish sauce coming out?
Yeah.
Whoa. So there's some in there, is there? Yeah? A little bit, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Wow, pure fish sauce coming out there, guys. Wow, so good. I mean, we use fish sauce because my wife is Vietnamese.
Yeah.
She cooks with fish sauce.
Asian people.
It's just an alternative to salt.
Yeah.
In Asia, right? In the West, they tend to use salt a lot.
Yeah.
But fish sauce is used in Asia, like Thailand and Laos,
Yeah.
Cambodia, Vietnam, and China, and places like that. So I wonder, why do you not use salt? Why do you not use normal salt, like
Because
table
the
salt?
fish sauce can make the dishes more smelling.
Yeah?
Yeah, good smell.
Give more aroma and
Yeah.
a bit better taste.
And we usually use the fish sauce like the dipping sauce.
Right.
We custom the chili.
Oh,
and then we dipping
yes.
sauce.
Oh, you know, some of the best dipping sauces here in Vietnam.
Dipping sauce is a good choice.
With kumquat or lime,
Yeah.
black pepper,
Yeah,
and things like that, and chili. Oh, mate, yeah, they're really, really good. Okay.
Go to the showroom to taste some of the fish.
Yeah, sure. Wow. I never expected all these vats. How many vats did you say?
120 barrels.
120 barrels. And these are,
This is the wood.
wow,
100% wood. We
Wow.
don't use any material.
Really
only
solid.
wood.
and this is like a wicker,
Yeah.
isn't it? Or like a bamboo, is it?
Not a bamboo.
It is wicker, yeah. Wow.
This is the tree on the land. So long, then we cut. And then we roll them.
Where do you get that from?
In the forest.
In Phu Quoc?
No, from Cambodia.
Ah, from Cambodia, yeah, yeah.
Because
And the
in-
wood is from?
In Phu Quoc, we do not allow for using this one, and then we have to buy it from the Cambodia.
Oh, okay. So it costs a bit more to be
Yeah.
imported from
Yeah.
Cambodia, yeah, yeah. Okay.
And one barrel we can use 60 years for the super life.
60 years. That's good. Well, I'm 50 years
Yeah.
old tomorrow.
Yeah.
So that's another 10 years of my life, and it's then what do you do with the barrel? Do you? I mean, you haven't yet
Yeah.
reached 60 years, so only 30 years business, right?
Yeah.
So what happens after 60 years? What will you do after the
After 20 or after 30 years, we have to fix them again.
fix them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And per year we paint outside per year.
Right. How
one
old?
side.
How old are you, if you don't mind?
30.
You are 30.
Yeah.
So in 30 years,
Yeah.
this will be your job.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be 60. Maybe working still.
Sorry.
Would you be working still at 60? Maybe. Retired?
We just keep the business.
Keep
because
going to
we
your.
have, yeah.
You have son?
I no have.
No,
Yeah.
but you will soon.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good. Family business, 30 years, fantastic. I like to see family business. We're a small travel agency, so
Yeah.
that's our family business. But obviously, no customers due to COVID-19, so it's very difficult for us. Okay, so we're going to go have a look inside the shop. I need to ring my wife because she will know what fish sauce to get. Right. Wow, lots of fish sauce.
This is the 45 grams nitrogen.
Okay.
The highest nitrogen we taste more less salty.
Yeah.
The low nitrogen more salty. Because we don't use sugar. This is 100% natural.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
Pure. And
Right.
we have to focus on the after tasting.
Mm.
This goes so good.
Yeah, that's not as bad as I thought
Yeah.
it would, because normally drinking fish sauce is quite
Yeah.
makes you thirsty, right? It is salt after all. So
And this
so that
is-
was the 95
Yeah, 45.
45%
Yeah.
nitrogen.
The highest nitrogen we can produce by traditional is 45.
Right,
only.
okay. And then this is
This is shrimp paste. We make from the shrimp, garlic, and chili. We
Ah.
usually use with the fresh mango or fresh fruit
right.
to chopping. A little bit spicy.
Oh, I like spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look like the Thailand food.
I do like Thailand
Yeah.
food, Thai food.
This is
Cool.
like the Thai food, street food.
That's lovely, that. Very
Yeah.
nice. So that's the paste.
Yeah.
So you've got other types as well. Is that something
This
else?
is pepper.
That's a pepper
Pepper
one.
for cooking. This is the pepper for dipping sauce. Dipping. pepper.
Ah, okay. So that's the pepper.
Pepper and lemon leaf.
Lemon leaf or
Yeah,
lemon leaf?
Lemon leaf.
Yeah.
And is it a pepper and salt only?
Ah, just pepper and salt.
Yeah.
Wow.
Different.
So how does this? How do you get this from the? I mean, you make fish sauce, but
the farm. We have the farm, then we buy the pepper from the farm. And
yeah.
Then here we make pepper and salt.
So you mix it together with Well, we went to a pepper farm recent 2 days ago, so we saw how they make the pepper there. So you mix it together with your fish sauce. That's really cool. I do like the style of boats that you have in Vietnam. They're really cool.
This is the boat for the catching fish.
For the anchovies, catching anchovies, yeah?
Catching anchovies.
Perfect. Okay guys, so we've just finished the tour and shown the fish sauce, and I'm going to choose a few bits that I'm quite interested in using in cooking. I'm going to get a bottle standard fish sauce. I'm going to get the 45% small one there. And I'm going to get the chili, the shrimp, garlic and chili paste. That'd be great with some salads and soups and things like that. And I'm going to get this Phu Quoc pepper, so that's mixed with fish sauce as well, so that's a nice one. So I'm going to get those 4 items and see how much that cost. How much is that? 300? Bargain. 300, where we got? That's 500, thank you. So that's a nice little trip out. If you just need, it's only just outside the town, so it's not far. You can just pop there, 5 minutes away on a bike or even a taxi even. And the young guy here is 3rd generation of the family, and he'll take you around and give you a guided tour of it in English.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. So best of luck with the business.
Yeah, thanks.
I'll send you the link for the video, and then hopefully get more people visiting when people can come to Vietnam.
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah,
thank you, mate.
Have a nice day.
Cheers.